she's done played with it to the point where I think it's not crawling anymore. That. Yeah, it's looking pretty dead to me. She might have done her job. Didn't lie on your application, huh? Huh? That bitch just took off again. What the frick? That motherfucker said I have 9 lives. He ain't crawling though. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's crawling up the... It's trying to survive. Oh my god, they're so weird looking. Look, she about to get it. Get it.